Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. My today's video is really very easy and interesting, and it will help you out in your exams, especially in ninth and 10th. Okay, today I will define you prepositions. Students, a preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other elements in a sentence. It indicates location, time, direction, or the relationship between different elements in a sentence. So, students, today I will define you the preposition. Today we will discuss on, in, and at. And as you know, these are the prepositions, and how and where we will use it, I will explain you in this video. Okay, let's start. On. Preposition on is used for days and dates. Alright, for example, on Tuesday, on Saturday, on my birthday, on Christmas Day, on 7th May, on Sunday mornings. Okay, these are some examples of on. Okay, now in. Preposition in is used with longer periods. Okay, for example, in 2023, in 19th century, in the Middle Ages, in March, in the 1970s, in the Stone Age or in the Ice Age. All right. Preposition at. Preposition at you will use with the time of the day. For example, at sunset, at sunrise, at 11:30 p.m., at midnight, at bedtime, at dinner time. Okay, students, what you have learned in today's video. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun or other elements in a sentence. It indicates location, time, direction, or the relationship between different elements in the sentence. And I have explained this with the help of examples. Okay, I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. And now, don't get confused in using these prepositions on, in, and at. Thank you so much for watching.